Hey kids, how are you? I'm very excited for a new lesson. Are you excited? Yes, I can see that you're very excited. So today we are going to learn about pronoun her. So her is an object pronoun which means it receives the action in the sentence. It is used in place of third person singular female. For example, this bicycle belongs to her. So, in this sentence, pronoun her is receiving the action. It is not performing the action. Therefore, it is an object pronoun. So, let's see some more examples and make the concept of pronoun her clear. So, Rudy, our first example of pronoun her is John gifted her a dress. So, in this sentence, why we have used the pronoun her? Because we are talking about third person singular female and the third person is receiving the action. It is not performing the action.
Now I understood.
Rudy, read the second example.
This book belongs to her.
Correct. So again in this sentence, we have used the pronoun her because pronoun her is receiving the action and it is used in place of third person singular
Female.
Correct. So Rudy, our last example is Leela's father called her. So can you identify an object pronoun in the sentence?
Her.
Why?
Because it shows that it is not performing the action, but it is receiving the action.
Correct. And pronoun her is used in place of first person, second person or third person?
Third person.
Singular or plural?
Singular.
Very nice. So, I hope you are very clear that what is pronoun her as an object pronoun. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.